Good morning, guys. This is the aftermath of the blizzard we had. It blew for 2 days, 2.5 days, 45 miles an hour sustained, and gust up to 65. So today it's not so bad. The wind's blowing about 20, it's probably 40 below, but ground crew is doing a really good job of cleaning everything up. This is our sunrise. It's about as bright as it's gonna get this far north. Just for clarification, this is where I work. It's about 700 miles north of where I live. As you can see, that truck over there, it's encrusted in snow. It's probably got about 6 inches of hard packed snow on it. It's the same truck you could barely see a couple days ago. We got pelted pretty good with the snow, but like I said, the ground crew is doing a really good job of cleaning it up. I'm waiting for the next one. It's supposed to blow again on Friday.